Utilize the provided hex key to extract the 2-socket head cap screws securing the external housing. Carefully separate and remove the external housing from the internal frame to expose the core circuitry. Employ a standard flathead screwdriver to decommission and remove the to-brass standoffs anchored to the PCB. Gently actuate the FPC locking actuator to the open position, then carefully extract the FPC ribbon cable from its terminal. Align and seat the FPC ribbon cable into the corresponding interface on the replacement mainboard, ensuring a secure connection. Seat the to-brass standoffs onto the new PCB assembly and torque them to specification. Insert and torque the to-hex screws to finalize the end closure seal.